My dear Regina, I know I shouldn't be writing this, but I had to let you know how proud I am of you. You opened your heart to love and let it change you. And no matter what separates us, I know you'll always be the heroine woman I fell in love with. Robin.
Walking down these empty streets, where are you right now? I'm feeling love, 'cause half of me has gone. I've eaten all these tears from you. Now that I'm alone, they're streaming out. How can I go on? I spelled my love for you, it's all used up.
You can't steal something that's been given to you.
You took it all with you, there's nothing left. Everywhere I go, I think of you. No matter what I do, you're always on my mind.
Robin died to protect me. That's what true love is. It's sacrifice. It's giving up everything for the person you love.
Finally, I realized you won't come back to me. What can I do when everything reminds me on you? I spilled my love for you, it's all you saw.
I just never thought I'd have this.
You took it all with you, there's nothing left. Everywhere I go, I think of you. No matter what I do, you're always on my mind.
Not you.